So what we're going to do is we're going to lie down on your stomach. I want your arms up straight. It's going to be like you are Superman. So I want your arms nice and straight, shoulders, elbows, wrists all lined up. So if we go back here, hips, knees, and ankles lined up. Now, we're going to lift everything at the same time so all the pressure goes from here to here, okay? So go ahead and lift and hold it. Now, if you have a problem with holding it, you could bounce. You could go up and down, up and down. Go ahead and show them that. So down, up, depending how strong your lower back is. We're going to have in your routine seconds. If you could do 30 seconds where you hold it, that's the best. If you can't and it hurts, then just pump like this up and down, nice and slow with control. Okay, now go ahead, come up and hold it. If you hold it for 30 seconds or whatever your time limit is on there, that's going to be optimum. And squeeze your butt, keep your legs nice and straight. Don't bend your knees because they're going to want to bend. Your arms are going to want to move out. Keep them straight right in front of you and look straight down. Just breathe comfortably.